Cats are true masters of disguise when it comes to pain. Your cat can't walk up to you and say, "Hey, my paw hurts," or "Something's wrong with my stomach." Instead, they stay silent, suffering in the shadows, while you're left guessing. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we'll break down the subtle signs that could mean your cat is in pain. Watch until the end to learn how to understand your pet better and step in before things get serious. Because a healthy cat is a happy cat. Sign number 1, your cat is constantly hiding. Cats love a good hiding spot. It's their instinct, whether for hunting, playing, or curling up for a peaceful nap. But there's a big difference between seeking a cozy retreat and vanishing because of pain or discomfort. When a cat isn't feeling well, it suddenly becomes a champion at hide and seek. Not for fun, but to escape the pain. Instead of lounging in their usual favorite spots, they may squeeze into the darkest, most hidden corners, under the couch, behind cabinets, or even beneath the bathtub. If your cat stops greeting you in the kitchen for a snack or abandons its usual resting places, take note. This could be a serious red flag that something is wrong. Sign number 2, your cat stops using the litter box. If your cat has always been a pro at using the litter box but suddenly starts leaving surprises around the house, don't scold them. Listen to what they might be trying to tell you. A sudden change in bathroom habits is often a distress signal, not mischief. Urinary tract infections, kidney disease, or bladder stones can make peeing painful. When that happens, your cat may start avoiding the litter box, associating it with discomfort. In some cases, incontinence can make it impossible for them to reach the box in time. But it's not just physical health. Stress can also turn the litter box into a place of fear. A big move, home renovations, a new pet, a change in food, or even emotional distress can cause litter box avoidance. Instead of guessing, take action. A visit to the vet can help rule out medical issues and get your feline friend the help they need. Sign number 3, a change in grooming habits. Cats are meticulous groomers, always keeping their fur in perfect condition. So, if your cat suddenly stops taking care of their coat, it's a major red flag. Fatigue from illness, arthritis pain, or other health issues could be making grooming too exhausting or painful. A once fluffy and well-groomed cat with matted, greasy fur is a sign that something is wrong. But here's the twist. Too much grooming is just as concerning. If your cat starts obsessively licking themselves, it might be due to skin irritations, allergies, parasites, or even hidden injuries. Stress and anxiety can also lead to excessive grooming, as cats use licking as a way to self-soothe. To help your feline friend, don't ignore these changes. Sign number 4, bad breath. If your cat's breath smells like something crawled in and never left, it might be a sign of a bigger issue. Gum disease, tooth decay, or even infections could be lurking in your feline's mouth, turning it into a battleground of harmful bacteria. To keep your cat's teeth in top shape, regular brushing is key. Special dental treats and foods can also help fight off tartar and plaque. But don't underestimate the danger. If bacteria from the mouth enter the bloodstream, they can affect vital organs like the heart and kidneys. So if your kitty's kisses come with a foul odor, don't ignore it. A visit to the vet could prevent serious health problems and bring back your cat's fresh breath and happy purrs. Sign number 5, when your sweet kitty turns into a furry monster. Has your usually affectionate cat suddenly started hissing, biting, or swiping at you like a tiny tiger? This unexpected aggression isn't just a bad mood, it's a big, flashing warning sign. When a cat is in pain, even the gentlest touch can make it lash out. Aggression is often a cry for help, and ignoring it can make things worse. A visit to the vet is the best way to uncover the root cause. Whether it's an injury, illness, or discomfort, getting the right treatment can bring back your cuddly companion in no time. Sign number 6, your cat turns up its nose at food. If your once hungry feline suddenly loses interest in meals, it's time to investigate. The reasons can range from simple stress or changing taste preferences to serious health issues like infections, kidney disease, or even cancer. Cats are not like us. They can't go for days without eating. Just a couple of days without food can lead to a dangerous condition called fatty liver disease, which can seriously affect their health. If your kitty is ignoring meals, don't wait. A quick trip to the vet can help uncover the cause and get your furry friend back to happily munching again. Sign number 7, your cat is suddenly always hungry. If your kitty is eating more than usual but not gaining weight, there could be an underlying issue. Hormonal imbalances, diabetes, parasites, stress, or metabolic disorders might be the real culprits behind this increased appetite. Instead of giving in to those big, pleading eyes, it's best to check with a vet to make sure your furry friend stays healthy and happy. Sign number 8, unexpected weight gain or loss. Rapid weight loss might point to organ issues, metabolic disorders, or even painful dental problems making eating difficult. Parasites can also drain your cat's body, leading to weight loss despite a normal or increased appetite. On the other hand, sudden weight gain isn't a reason to celebrate. Obesity puts cats at risk for diabetes, heart disease, and joint issues. So if your feline friend's size is changing without an obvious reason, don't wait. Schedule a vet visit right away. Sign number 9. Your cat is drinking too much water. If your cat suddenly starts guzzling water like a desert traveler, don't ignore it. Excessive thirst can be a sign of serious health issues, including diabetes, kidney disease, hyperthyroidism, or even poisoning. When a cat's drinking habits change drastically, it's time to take action. A vet visit is crucial to pinpoint the exact cause. Trying to guess at home can be risky. And remember, never restrict your cat's water intake, even if it seems excessive. Their body may desperately need that extra hydration to fight off an underlying illness. Stay alert and keep your furry friend healthy. Sign number 10. Frequent vomiting in cats. Occasional vomiting might not be a cause for concern. After all, cats sometimes need to rid their stomachs of hairballs or something they shouldn't have eaten, but if it becomes frequent, it's a red flag that something serious could be going on. For example, vomiting in the morning once or twice a week might indicate gastritis, while frequent vomiting of white foam throughout the day could point to pancreatitis. If your cat first throws up undigested food and later a yellowish liquid, enteritis may be the culprit. Even intestinal infections and viral illnesses can trigger vomiting. Don't try to diagnose or treat this at home. Vomiting can be a symptom of many dangerous conditions. A trip to the vet is the best way to get to the root of the problem and ensure your furry friend gets the care they need. Sign number 11. Lethargy and excessive sleep in cats. Cats are famous for their love of sleep, but there's a big difference between a cat enjoying a cozy nap and one sleeping too much due to illness. If your usually playful kitty suddenly seems uninterested in her favorite games and spends most of her time lying around, this could be a red flag. You know your feline friend better than anyone. If she seems unusually tired, sleeps more than usual, and lacks energy, it may be her body's way of fighting off an illness, infection, or even recovering from an injury. Lethargy isn't just about extra naps, it's a state of extreme weakness, sluggishness, and a lack of enthusiasm for things she once enjoyed. In some cases, excessive sleep can even be a sign of depression in cats. So if your kitty seems unusually drowsy or withdrawn, don't brush it off. Pay close attention and, if needed, consult a vet to keep her happy and healthy. Sign number 12. When your cat becomes a howling opera star. If your cat suddenly starts pacing the house, putting on an impromptu concert, she's not trying to land a role in a feline opera. Loud, persistent howling is often a cry for help, her way of telling you that something is wrong. And if she lets out a painful wail when you gently pet her, that's a major red flag. This is especially common in older cats, who may suffer from arthritis, joint pain, or other age-related health issues. However, excessive meowing isn't always about pain. It can also mean boredom, anxiety, or even cognitive decline in senior cats. But here's the key: if the howling becomes frequent or sounds distressed, don't ignore it. A quick trip to the vet can help uncover any hidden health issues and bring peace back to your home. As you can see, detecting pain in cats isn't always straightforward. While some signs are obvious, many can go unnoticed for a long time. That's why it's so important to pay attention to even the smallest changes in your furry friend's behavior. If you spot any of the warning signs we discussed, don't wait. Take your cat to the vet as soon as possible to ensure they get the care they need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a valuable tip about your feline companion. After all, your cat deserves only the best. Now go ahead and check out our next video to discover even more fascinating facts about your beloved pet.